A uniform can represent the best qualities of a team. Ours happens to be orange. But what does it take to wear one? It takes wanting more than just a job. It takes pride, passion, and it takes a commitment to excellence. You know, that extra something that makes you feel good about helping others. It's hard work, it's challenging, but at the end of the day, it'll also be enriching, rewarding, even fun. And you'll actually feel appreciated. People come through our doors because they have a challenge, or a question, or just need some help. That's where you come in, to help them create something that improves their lives, while at the same time building a future for yourself. If you want to be part of a team, a culture, a community that values and rewards people helping people, look no further. Welcome to the Home Depot.